Coming to our second part of terminal view, now we want to focusing on the TX and the option for USB-CDC VCOM input. Number one, going to TX. If we start a terminal, we can again set our settings here for the line config, and we can always send, like in a normal terminal, we can just send out some ASCII text, or we can use send file, and we can even send out um, a whole text. So this is basically pretty simple. Yeah, other than that, basically, if we now we can even let's focus on the USB CDC input. So with this option, you're able to log something which comes from Arduino or all these dev boards which give out their serial through the USB port. To enable this, we go to Dashboard, press Start, we activate our USB-C, and if we then go back to Terminal, you directly already see that UART changed it to VCOM. Now it activated the USB power. It directly enumerated the attached device, switched it to USB VCOM, and now basically same as if it would be a UART, we can just receive some text here. And then we basically have all the same features and functions like we are having if it would be coming from UART. So that's it. To disable, going back to UART again, go back to dashboard, we disable the USB-C, and we are back to UART2.